Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Latori and today I'm going to be doing a Telfar unboxing. This is just going to be a quick video. I literally just got in from picking up this package, and so I'm going to open it up with you right now and show you what I got. Okay, so it's just like a little small box. And it comes in plastic, and then there's a dust bag. And I ordered this back in August. I purchased it with the bag security program because I got tired of trying to get one and then they'd be sold out in minutes. It just was too stressful, so I just went with the bag security program. And I ordered the small in red. So it just has like this paper around it and it's folded up. So hopefully it won't be like wrinkled or still in this shape after I open it. So yeah, I ordered this in the bag security program, and initially when I ordered it, they said that the bag wouldn't get here until January. And then I saw on Instagram, I think maybe last week or the week before, that they did say that some of the bags were finished early, and so they would start to ship them out as they were done. So thankfully I didn't have to wait until January, and I got it now. But I still did have to wait a couple of months, which was fine because I wanted this bag. And it is so cute. It's just, I got the mini shopper in red, or the small shopper in red. And this is what it looks like. The bag is a little creased from being folded, but it seems like that'll probably drop if I filled it with like tissue paper or something. And it has the top handle, and then it's like the crossbody straps. Hopefully this will fit around me comfortably. And I saw a meme on Instagram that said that the Telfar logo looked like Tevin Campbell's first album cover. And ever since I saw that, it's like I can't unsee it. But this is what it looks like. The bags are made from vegan leather, but it feels really nice. It's very sturdy. It seems like it'll still last even though it is not real leather. And I like it. It just has a little snap closure, somewhat magnetic. So that's cool. And on the inside, it just has the Telfar logo. That's stitched on there. It doesn't have any pockets on the inside. I don't know if all of the shoppers are like that. The larger sizes may have pockets, I don't know. But this is what it looks like. The logo is embossed. Well, it's not really embossed. It feels like it's something in there, but the logo is on the front. The back is plain, and you can wear it as like a top handle or a crossbody. So that is it for my unboxing. I probably will come back later with a full review to show you. Actually, I'm gonna go grab my current bag and see how much I can fit inside. Okay, so I am back with the bag that I am currently using. It's just a small black quilted faux leather bag that I picked up from Forever 21. It's another crossbody with a gold chain. And I love crossbodies just because I think they're cute, they're functional, and you know, they get the job done when you're out shopping. You can shop hands-free and still have the things that you need. So as you can see, this is also a pretty small bag. So I'm gonna see how much of what is in there I can get in here. So let's see. I have a card holder, sanitizer, my keys. I have shea butter, which is from a Black-owned brand. It's called My LV. This one is in the scent Social Butterfly, and it's like a whipped shea butter, and they all smell so good. I bought like the sampler just to see which scent I would like the most before I got the full size. And I like all of them, of course. So I would definitely check them out. I will leave their link below. I have my AirPods, the hair tie, and I have Fireballs, which is one of my favorite candies. So the main things that I want to fit is, of course, my card holder, my sanitizer, AirPods. It looks like it may all fit. The shea butter and my keys. So everything can get in there. I can't close it. My keys, most of the times, I honestly usually keep in my pocket. So that is fine if I don't get that in here. Does it close? I can't get it to close, but because it's crossbody, I would be fine carrying it like this. And I will insert a picture of me actually wearing it crossbody, but it does fit pretty much everything that I need in here. I know most people put their phone in their bag. I usually carry my phone either in my hand or in whatever jacket I'm wearing. I'll put it in the pocket. So I don't normally keep my phone in my bag anyways. So I don't need my phone to fit in here, but it would if I did want it to go in here. I may have to take something else out though, but that is the Telfar small. And let me know what you think. Have you been able to get a Telfar bag? If you ordered one in the bag security program, has yours arrived yet? I know that there has been a lot of talk about these bags because they are so small. This retails for $150, and so some people are saying, why does it cost so much if it's not real leather? But it is. The reason I felt like it was worth the price, it's a Black owned brand, it's a Black owned luxury brand, and I love to support Black owned businesses. I think the bag is cute. I love statement pieces, and this little red bag is perfect to just add a pop of color to, you know, basic or simple looks and just give it a little something extra. So I feel like it was money well spent. Some people may disagree, but yes, this is the Telfar small shopper. So let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.